So my people, me have two live what me I go share with you know. Seeing one with Mackerel and Destiny, the two of them have it out. Seeing and you know say from what the Mackerel at. You know what I mean? And a bag of people are come from Mackerel. You see it, but the Jamaicans them who are come from Mackerel, enough of them I feel like say them just want a little hype. You know what I mean? And Destiny are one of the people them where known for anybody we at him either cuss them or him, you know what I mean, go up on them side or whatever. So Destiny you know a cuss Mackerel. Zine Mackerel hear about it and go confront him. Seeing I wanna go hear what him a say and tell me in the comment section if you don't feel like say I look a little hype or whatever off a Mackerel thing. You see me? Mackerel at you now. So me I say, so me I go share that with other people. I want to tell me what I think, you know. And also RT, you know, him I say, boy, he look like him out to get more my people. You see it? Cause him a talk one what him a go do. You see me I say? Not even to Momo alone, but some of the people them we are run with where Momo say. But people, Momo a big woman. You see me I say? And in my opinion, no big woman now go just come out and say certain things and know what can happen without getting it from whoever him do whatever to, right? So in my opinion, me feel like the person tell Momo whatever, but the person don't want come out because of whatever reason. You see me? But I want to tell me what you think. You see it, and you tell me if you feel like say Momo I do this for try to bring down RT and nothing no go so, or you feel like say something go so, because me no see nobody I go really come out. Jamaicans have a saying with them say if it no go so, it near if it go so. And upon a level of people, me no like use that, you know, because a whole heap of people can make up things same way. But we are going to hear what RT boss officer, because right now my people is like it look like he might try get more for whatever he can get her for. But we're going to get in it, we'll kick it off with Mackerel and then we're going at that.
The first thing me I go tell us saying,
why you want to walk and text it pan girl?
Mackerel.
You mad? You just get up
Remember
and
say
walk out
Mackerel, listen first, no say nothing. Remember your man number end with 3084.
That not have nothing with me for do with me.
You say me don't know about you, but that's why me tell you say me have your video, me have your body video, me have every video with your blood clot. You go see judgment in a John Sap. Stinking
that have
girl.
nothing to do with
Stinking
me.
girl. Have something to do with you. Actually, people
Only
hotel.
love walk and text it pan people too much.
Let me go down to your blood touch. Me people hotel stinking, dirty, cranny, salty roach.
Big
stinking girl. Let me go down to your for you.
You love walk and you just get up out and use that walk us girl. Move man this. Man. You love walk and do a text it pan girl too much. With your girl?
Stinking girl, come back. Me go show you say me go expose your pussy. Stinking girl. Go away, dot.
That's why you're not no friend for too long, cause you little bit of walk and make. You walk and make with people. That's why you're not no friend for too long. Yes, making you. One more years.
Where's the step? Hold on.
One more years.
I'm gonna take the elevator.
Okay, I thought so.
Hola.
I thought so.
Hola.
One more years. Stop walking trouble people. Stop walking text it from people. Can't nobody know blood clot, you know.
Go suck your mama, dirty girl. Go suck your mother. Dirty girl, go suck your mama. You want dirty girl, they kill a blood clot. They fi cast the blood clot. They fi cast the blood clot, stinking girl. Dirty girl, nasty blood clot. You smell, but you want
we all are going to die one
You
day.
want beard,
We
you
all are going to die one day. Destiny and not live
Beard
forever. You are going to die
stinking,
also. So we don't,
You
nobody
want
with
beard,
it,
you
nobody with
stink.
just keep your sad life to yourself, dog. Keep your sad life to yourself, bro. Stop it, dog. You're just over
Dirty
here.
mackerel, cockroach.
Yeah,
Black
destiny, me a
monkey,
cockroach and you a
cockroach, you
Godzilla. Me a
stink.
cockroach and you a
Hold on.
Godzilla. Me a cockroach
I
and you a
should have
Godzilla.
hotel.
Girl, you calm, dog. You're just a cut
Mackerel,
girl.
move your dirty down on daddy blood clot. Remember say every man run down your blood clot and left you. Mackerel, your man no why your blood clot or your 90 blood clot 62. Dirty nasty blood clot, Mackerel, remember your raw. Remember paper can help your blood clot. Stinky nasty blood clot, Mackerel. Dirty blood clot, Mackerel. The same blood clot guy that people bring you down. And bring down your blood clot, Pitney. And you walk across Jamaica for the guy that people them dirty girl. Dirty nasty stinking black roach. Mackerel, move your blood clot and go away. You want to get me big and spray for your blood clot. Go away drunk up. No, look here.
Destiny, calm down.
The same blood clot, man. Look what the Batman do for your blood clot. Look here.
Destiny, calm down.
Look here. Move your blood clot, witchcraft, all egg. All egg. Move your blood clot.
Destiny,
when them a kill them, better kill them. Blood clot in here, you are going to kill. Are you want to feel blood clot kill? They better not kill up in this stinking mackerel. Dirty mackerel. You can't come down nobody. I got expose your body. Your everything boy me expose.
Everything.
Every blood clotting boy me expose.
Everything. Expose
everything boy your blood clot. Stinking dirty mackerel. Man nobody blood clot mackerel. Look where them a witchcraft.
Everybody
look where them a witchcraft. Where them a do for you.
No better
where them a do for blood clot you. Look where them a suck me here. I have cause blood clot Jamaica people. People be get your dirty girl. I am
lower class Batman.
So people, I wanna tell me one thing because me feel like say Destiny him just want look at the hype of Mackerel I get. You see me I say Mackerel say what she say, you know what I mean? She and the people them kick off, you know what I mean? And she good with some of them. You see it. So Destiny, you know, I come with where I come with. Him just want a little hype off of what Mackerel I get. So Destiny and Mackerel, they on the live as you see I go on. Then the next one they come on, come cause Destiny. You see me? So on TikTok my people, today them good, tomorrow them at it. You see what I say? So I want to tell me what I think in the comment section about what Destiny I do. If you no feel like say him just want look at the hype or walk, I may feel like him just want some of the hype. So we are going to watch some more.
That cause me out of nowhere.
Later, I come for defend the wall later. Come here, that junk and I turn up your name Jane night.
Suck up
remember you so just no better, every no better about your woman the way you build up your farm money. Batty man, way you build up your farm money. Batty boy, Jaden, you have been fierce, Jaden. Jaden, the fierce, you want pampas and you double up class.
You're ugly like
blood clot. When you pull a blood clot, then in the favor, kill a bean of blood clot. Pow, pow, pow. Then in the time we have to teach you I want to school fence by your blood clot. Blood clot. Jaden, you your blood clot. Ugly no blood clot. Jaden, I want to cut your
blood clot. All shit in your blood clot. Go suck out a big stick, mama.
No, shit, you know. Pull a key in the car, Jaden. I chop all in the rap up under. Pull a key in the car. Jaden, the car up in your boat. Pull a cramp you. Pull out your car. 2 junk crafts around your car must pick up your Jaden. 2 junk crafts around your blood clot.
Why? This is so festive. We're Destiny there. We are Destiny we want back. Hold on. We are not Tiki. Destiny we are look for. Destiny over there. God. Destiny just get up of course.
I'm proving a blood clot in my phone, Mackerel. Get it blood clot technical. Get it technical, Mackerel. Mackerel. Me say, me not have to put it out here, so. But me can
Destiny,
take
calm down,
some more
calm down.
blood clot
Destiny,
IG.
calm down.
I show
Destiny,
you say
calm
that
down.
Timania have blood clot evidence for your head. Yes,
Destiny,
so.
Destiny, calm
Mackerel.
down.
All
Calm
right.
down. Calm down.
Hold on.
Calm
Just
down.
listen.
You
Don't say
just
no.
get up and
Don't say
just
no.
want to eat, girl.
Nobody never hate you. The only thing for me I say is, me know they are cuss her, you know.
Them say you cuss
Hold
me.
on. Shut
Them
up your mouth.
say you
Shut up
cuss
your
me.
mouth. Shut up your mouth.
Are you
The
blood
fact
clot,
is,
right? Watch your
hold on.
mouth. Them say
Hold
you
on.
cuss me.
Hold on. Hold on. The fact is, the guy and people are bringing down our baby. Team this and tell me right time wrong. Jamaica people me I talk to. The guy and people are bringing down our baby, right? I see our baby, look at I post all the baby on Facebook. I post all the baby I and something me love. Right? No. Me see them put up one voodoo something me love. Right?
Them
I
come
put
over here, come tell me say Destiny a cuss
me
me.
mute
Come say
our
what
blood
Destiny a
clot.
cuss
Remember
me
them
for.
said the man. Remember
You
say
can't
they
tell me. And
even
them
fat a
come over
couple
here,
live and
them say
fat a
what Destiny
afraid.
a cuss
Cause
me
they said a man
for.
they say our man a do it and they say the man we a do it bad, you know. Right? Remember a game man like them something there. In England, the man a do the voodoo something. So me start a cuss and me say Mackerel a idiot blood clot girl. Cause Mackerel with them for life with them a people here. We a do her so bad. And me hear Mackerel bring down blood clot Jamaica. And I talk about Jamaica to come out of your business, me love. I bring down blood clot Jamaica. Me hear you having a job for your life. Stinking girl, me love. Stinking girl. But what me say is because of money, that's why she a do it.
So we can't talk now.
Because of money. Nobody no bad mind.
You
And because
can't
of money,
tell
me
people
can't
how
do
to
it, me
live
love.
their
Because
life.
there's no way somebody
You
can do my
cannot
opinion,
tell
start talking
people
about my
how to
opinion,
live
I'm my
their
opinion,
life.
I'm blind.
You can't tell
You see,
people how to
because of
live their
money,
life.
that's why you see shit, me not hear
You
you.
can't
You
tell
see,
people
because
how
of
to live
money,
their
that's
life.
why you see shit,
Who
do it, me
is
love.
you to tell people how
Money.
to live their life?
Look at my blood clot
Why
evil
you
sitting
to
here.
tell people how to
Who not
you
take this
can't
as
tell
something
me how to live
serious?
my life.
Me could
You
never
can't
blood
tell
clot
me if
take
you
this
want blood
serious.
Guyana people.
Me could never
It's
take it
my
serious, me love.
business.
Even
When
Fata sees
Guyana
and Fata
listen
come off
for
at
me,
the life
the
same
whole
time.
Jamaica talk
Cause
and
Fata
say I
afraid.
want to play with them.
Fata
Destiny, you
afraid no
don't
blood
own me.
clot.
You don't own
Me
me.
could take this
You
blood
are
clot
the bench
serious.
and batty.
Me
We
could take
can
this
play with
serious.
anybody where we
Somebody
want
can't
to
never
play
even something
with.
here for me look here.
Anybody.
Look what them a even something here. I egg this here say no. Me not play the match with you, man.
You believe
Me
in
not
that?
want to play the match with you, blood clot, man. Boy, man. You're
Me not
devil,
believe in
man.
them something that we can't play.
Look here. Look what them a even something here.
I can play with anybody. It is
Look what them
my
here.
life.
Hey,
You know
you
when
better hide the blood clot
You
pitney
know
there.
when don't affect me.
You better
I
hide the
can't
blood
don't
clot
believe
pitney.
in them
Cause
something.
you know me don't do the pitney, me love. Rather than blind you two eye them. And save the blood clot pitney. Look what them a even something here.
Guys, me not think it is that serious or Destiny I take it. Sometimes the media bill and it break you. Them want a comeback. It is me not think it is that serious. I say once you believe in a God and once you mean you believe there is a God, on the can't and believe in a God and believe in a them the things there.
One thing me have to say, Mackerel, do what you want to do, yeah. Don't make none of them tell you what to do and what not to do. You hear Destiny talk about what you do and for money, what him do for money. What him do for money. Him a talk about this and that and ray. Him feel look on himself before him start say what him a say about Mackerel. Everybody they on TikTok and them find a way how to make people give them. You see me, Mackerel just find a way there and I use it. You see me I say, and whatever the people them want to say or do, Mackerel don't have no control over that. And if Mackerel want to talk to the people them, why problem you have with that? You see me I say, because she never mean for diss them in a way. Remember, she did just a diss the youth and the youth a diss her, and then she just start diss the people them over there, and then you know what I mean, the people them start diss her back. But it not really that mess up when Mackerel can't deal with the people them. You see me I say, and a real thing. So when him come and I say I know, and I try to tell the girl what to do, I go with him for go. Him just a look at hype. That are just my thing, you know what I mean? But to tell me what I think the people, we're gonna listen some more.
Me not believe in that. Me not believe in that. That's why me not really cuss back. I me not really know. But then come here to me say Destiny. So me go look. So me say when Destiny I bring me down far. Me not believe in them. Me not take them something that's serious. Me not take them some that says I can't say I believe in a God destiny. I believe in them the things there. You tell me I wonder where destiny comes from. If I want to play with Guyana, it is up to me. Cause no Jamaica never come defend me and me defend myself. Even destiny itself bring me down. The whole of them dash me out there and say, well, Mackerel, you alone in this. Well, the whole of them bring me down. So I want to play with Guyana is 50 million game. Let me be.
Some no need to pray, me love. Me no need to go down for me because me have faith already. And them
Yes,
no faith need to
all
pray.
you believe in that destiny. If you believe in a God and you pray, how dare you believe in that? We don't believe
This
in
big
that.
dirty blood clot roach. Look at you to me. This nasty blood clot roach. I mean you come out. Drink your water big and spray.
Yes,
you want a blood clot big and spray, me love. You want a big and spray the blood clot. There's a big dirty blood clot roach.
We don't take destiny serious. Oh, you see that's a cut roach.
Your blood clot and go and tell me so me take it serious. Me take it serious, me love. That's when it come out to food and science and them something there. Me don't run joke when it come out to them something there. People don't understand.
You don't believe in a God destiny.
When it come out to them something, we don't run joke.
You don't
You should
believe in
know
a God
that.
destiny. You don't believe in a God.
When it come out to them science there, we don't run blood clot joke.
You don't believe in a God destiny.
We don't run joke.
Wait, destiny you don't believe in a God. You in a real.
We take blood clot serious.
In a
no,
that
nice
no. We
that
can't
nice.
take everything serious.
You do anything for blood clot money. Money go clot. When them come for the pin, them when them come, they don't come for the pin, them kill up, them take up, them blind you two eye. They make you can't see. None at all. Hey, you can't open your eye properly.
Destiny, calm down. It's not that serious, and I don't think it that serious. I think the people want to come back. I just think they want.
When me see them do them the evil something there. That nice what them do.
So why you cuss me?
That's not nice.
Me you're not friend.
Me not tell them that. Me tell them that things are serious. Let me tell you something. You see, once they talk about the devil, you
destiny love
you know matter if a
me.
joke. You see, from you talk about the devil and you mix with it, you talk things about the devil, and you know,
God, everybody
you
take
try
you
to do things
then.
with the devil. You're part of it, sweetheart. You're part of it. You're entertaining the devil. You're entertaining the devil. Nobody can tell me no. You are entertaining the devil. Yes.
Destiny for
so we need to go back to school, my love.
Destiny, me not think it that. Me don't think they want to come back. Me don't think it that serious.
Mackerel, them are entertained with the devil. And nobody, they don't even understand what they might do. This a woman here don't even understand what they might do to her. She don't understand what they might do.
Guys, as me say
the blood of Jesus against Satan.
Me not believe in that destiny.
The blood of Jesus against you.
Me not believe in that destiny.
It's the blood of Jesus against you. So they set you, girl. You can't tell them say they set you, They set on a blood clot.
Destiny is either you can't have mixed feelings towards me. Is it me you like me? You can't have mixed feelings towards me.
You don't like your blood clot.
Destiny, you know you love me.
Me love who? You don't say I'm watching that shit.
Destiny, I know you love me.
I love blood clots, yo.
I know you love me.
You come from. I love you.
Destiny, I know you love me. I know that I'm the best. Destiny, I know that I'm dear to your heart.
Me never run back a car yet.
So him come out and I diss the girl and I go on the most way and I talk about this and that. So why him not change him lifestyle if him a say are the devil the people them a work with? Him not hear what it say in the Bible about man and man. See, so how him fear tell a person how to live and nobody can tell you how to live. That more I know. You see me? So I want to tell me what I think in the comment section, you know, people, because we have a mentality in Jamaica where it's like if you see a person or do something, you know what I mean, and you do it and it a work for them and them a make what them for make, you try to bring down that person there. You see me? I say it's not that you so righteous or whatever, you know, but me feel like I just bad mind. You know what I mean? I want to pee away the person. You know what I mean? I get.
Never. Me never run dog man yet. I the only guy me say to who?
Destiny say, Destiny, I know
If you
you love
follow
me,
my new page,
Jerry.
yeah. Everybody follow about my new page, yeah. Fucking out and I
Guys,
say to who?
honestly,
Say blood clot
you know,
too.
probably Destiny
Nobody
believe in
can
it.
set
Something
me.
that's why Destiny a cuss and then something. Me not believe in it. That's why I don't think me could have cussed. I could have cussed, but to
Thank
me, I
you,
don't believe in
mama.
that. And they want to come back.
Yeah.
Me never want to kill up myself and them.
You
They
can't
look at
talk.
people. Cause they,
Look at no people. Only don't understand me I try to say no, guys. Only don't understand me I try to say no. Only don't understand me I try to say. I have nothing against Guyana people. Call me a boy for Guyana friend. But then take this thing too far. Right? Okay now. All me I say is, look what they voodoo something there. Me say me I watch a blood clot video, me cold bumper take me. Me not afraid, but cold bumper take me. You know why? Me see the egg. Egg. Egg a serious something. So somebody over here tell me say them agree with me there. So woman say she a Guyanese and that she shoot down here a while ago. And she tell me say she a Guyanese and she agree with me. Eggs. Me not know against Guyana, me a vote for Guyana friend. Me can't call her my best blood clot friend where is Guyanese. One of my best blood clot friend where Guyanese. Me can't call him now. For me blood clot WhatsApp.
Custom Destiny.
And they must know him. One of my best blood clot friend against me can't call him now. No, me can't call him.
Believe in a God.
No,
Believe
but
in
the
a
fact
Jesus.
is, science and voodoo, me hate them something there. Me hate them.
No, me not take it serious. You can't cover your
Me see
content.
Fata run. Fata say no man see it. Fata come like he afraid of the guy. Cause they say the
Don't tell me how you have to take it serious. I'm not going to take it serious. You cannot tell me that. Because you cannot tell me to take it serious and I don't believe in it. You cannot. It's only you who believe in it. I go take it serious. Me not believe in it. I think we don't know prayers. I know prayers, okay? Yes, and I know God. So when the argument, nothing scare me in this. Nothing in this world will scare me. There's no way you can say you believe in a God, you believe in that. We see RT come and do the same thing. Like everybody, oh wow, it is so real. Why do it alive? When that's where the whole of them say, Unu guanya?
send some roses, 21 roses. She look, she want me, me my business.
Everybody send a rose.
We need 21 roses. Everybody send some roses.
Everybody
You see
send
gay
a
people,
rose.
me tell them say some gay people believe in a voodoo and say I didn't something there, you know.
Send a rose.
But me can't believe in them something because a one man me one father God look. Remember when me go through my situation, the only person me see I God alone.
Every night, Mackerel.
Me never see man.
Thank God.
Guys, we need 4 roses. 2 more, 3 more guys, 3 more.
Oh, you want
3
to
more,
start
3
out?
different persons. 3 different persons, 10 3 rows. I
Come on,
got alone me
everybody
see.
hurry up. All right, thank you.
Oh, me see one more. When me come and see her, them a suck me ya. Them a suck me ya no nice.
Oh my God, my love. Them say you're not scare me, my love.
Me have a Guyana friend. And I like some me have Guyanese friend.
And when you see Uni in that conversation on the line, Destiny over there look like he only that talking now. Uni see how come
Let me
I
tell you something. I'm going to talk truth now. Look what I'm going to bring you down now. Not talk truth you now. You see, if I then did come for, you see, if one different country did come for Jamaica, we'd have take on the people, you know. We'd have attack them, you know.
Nikki!
Voodoo, I do not voodoo and science and sitting there. We don't do them sitting there. We don't do that. If one country come for Jamaica now, we'd have attack them. But we do not voodoo and them something there. Yes, if one country come for Jamaica first, we'd have run out on them and cuss out them blood clot. Right? But remember, you know, other blood clot, don't you can't say, girl, you got trouble with people in blood clot country, my love. And you have to people ugly. You're uglier than the blood clot people, them.
Me are you uglier than them.
You see a bad worse than them, you're uglier than people, them.
You're
uglier than blood clot, them. When it comes out to nasty blood clot, you're the crosses. And you're the crosses. You're uglier than them. You're uglier than blood clot, them. You're the biggest blood clot roach in the whole blood clot world.
Say we uglier than them. Say we.
No, we are blood clot. Me nice on you. Me nice on you.
Say we uglier than them.
Blood clot, yo. Cause you're the only girl me see drive car and go so. You drive until you crash.
We can't bother.
Me not drive car, so me drive
Leave
straight.
Destiny alone. Move no car when the whole of they shoot me out. Destiny going back to go cuss for me. Go where?
Your blood clot and where? If you show out your blood clot, I'm here, you go
Destiny alone.
Me here, my mascot.
You see if the whole of
people come from the blood clot.
will never have anything like
you
she
have to about say, when everybody push you
her.
out, then if Jamaica people the blood clot, cause you to shame them now.
No, they not
Me no wrong the
cussing.
people from shame your blood clot.
Yeah, I will thank God. Cause guess
Me no wrong them for never take your side. Cause you know they didn't take your blood
Me
clot.
and
The
Mackerel
same money
stand
you got for
alone.
the same money I got
It's
to
like
prove
when
your
you
blood
name
clot.
Destiny
Same
stand
thing with you.
alone. It's like when you
A
Destiny
witchcraft,
and
guys, you
Mackerel
gotta
stand
walk.
alone.
A witchcraft.
Never ask for no
A
help. Me never
witchcraft,
ask
girl,
for
they say don't
help.
Africa I come from.
Me never ask for no.
Me I tell you say mackerel a witchcraft, I don't have Africa mackerel come from. A witchcraft, thank you,
Oh,
baby.
you son of a rumbo. That
For the
not
heart me.
real. Move now.
A
That not real.
witchcraft, y'all are yet to come from a witchcraft. A voodoo. I said the
Yeah,
blood of Jesus against you.
leave.
Oh.
Destiny say him.
So people, let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? Cause Destiny, him a go hard for nothing at all. You see me? Me just feel like say him just want put himself on a level, cause Mackerel dey on a level, so him come here now fi do whatever. You hear me say, you follow me, whatever. You see me? And I try bring down Mackerel. You know what I mean? Enough thing him do when Mackerel could have say, yo, you should not do that or don't do that or whatever. You know what I mean? But him would have taken the talk from Mackerel. You see me? So who are you now for you come tell Mackerel what to do when she do a little thing and you know what I mean, things are going for you, you go tell the girl this and that. People wanna make me know what you think in the comment. We are gonna go over RT boss, you know, and hear what him say about Momo and what Momo say him do. You know what I mean?
Them have assets, them have liability. Because I already losing money. If I go through a process, this money when I go pay me. So this money when I spend now, where the royal family need to help me get it back, find some, because them can't pay it and me have to spend it. So what you have got to know is the people them will have name. Everybody out there have name, yes, but the people them will have the money can't pay. Because I'm not in the mood to walk a sue everybody, because it no works. So me need to catch a big fish in the net.
True.
But me no catch no big fish yet, I be blood clots sprat. And if you know about the law world, all I sprat them, I mean, I forgot I'm pocket for the sprat them. I want to get a big blood clot fish. So when me get the fish, me say, woo, this is representing for everybody else the money when me pay. Because it take money. So I don't want none of the royal family them squash anything, leave it. Because the moral of the story, what I want everybody to know. I am here, I am a US citizen. You don't see no mugshot of me nowhere. My name is Nordo Smith, born March. Find the rest. Go do a background search on me. And you will see my record is clean. In Jamaica and in America as a normal citizen. I don't have a mugshot, no police, and I don't have a court case, and I don't have no criminal case against me. But what I want you to know is, some uneducated bloggers now, let me say something to you. Like one big old one down in Jamaica, where I say, why RT don't address this? First of all, America have freedom of speech, but I have right. It take a lot of money. It is not cheap. You are putting the word 60, put that in. 60,000. It is not cheap. But I have to spend it with blood in my eye. US dollars. So just bear in mind now that how me going to get back that? How me going to get back that? Find me somebody who are credible, who have money, where you hear a talk about it, scream record it when you hear them mention it, and send it to me. You can get out of 2 bills if you want, or a free reading. Because I'm not joking. Because they want my... This is negativity, but I'm going to fuck blessing.
You hear that?
And I want the real, authentic people who are sensibly nafaring. All these allegations, and I'm still sitting here, and you don't see a mugshot like Vani, energy all the way, or you see it out there? And I'm here on the live. Matter of fact, my wife is still with me, my family is still together. People, let me say something to you. You decide. That's all I want to say. You decide. But all them blogger them, I can't tell me, I have to tell you the truth. I can't walk and sue the whole of you. And I can't, and cease and desist is $500. And I can't write cease and desist for the whole of you. That's not stupid. Me not that fool. So I would say talk about the story. Because if I did have the story, I would talk about it too. Because it's in the media. But then again, I would have talked about story with facts. You guys are talking about story one-sided. Me not see no evidence. Why when the wicked no blood clot?
The matter like it true.
You want to bring me down? Listen to me, man. I'll if 20 odd people blood clot come out and say this.
Lisa, if you take one and make an example.
Taking one to make an example is in the process. But what we want the royal family to know is the range when I travel is from 40 to 50 to 38.
40, 50, 38.
Them the price range. I mean stuck at 60. Quality. Alright, I can move on now. So when we want to know royal family is them a watch me every time me come live, them click live and try bring me down. But me busy day as up on my urban exercise and I refurbish my house. Like you saw me refurbish my office. I just one comment when me see over YouTube. Only one comment when me see. A comment state of a lady state. Me notice him quiet from the other day. I never quiet yet.
Not never.
I never quieted. For those of who believe that dog shit, that skirmish, that Rottweiler, that bitch, that monkey, that everybody would kill for. Anyway, you want terms it.
Boy, people, me I tell you now, Faye, Momo come out and say what she has saying now is like she must hear something. You see me? Cause me no think she would just come and just make up something and say whatever. You know what I mean? She must hear something and she has said. You know what I mean? Well, he must go down, whatever. You see, because she said the youth talk to her and tell her, say, boy, him no want forward come talk because a bag of things, right? So, it's all about her word against RT. You see me? And the two of them are go hard. RT I go hard like him no do nothing, and Momo I go hard like him do something. You see it? And when my talk say yo, nobody no come to him and say nothing, and we not, you know what I mean, that something we have to look upon and say, yeah, she has said some things, yes, but we not see nothing go on. You know what I mean? So more know what you think. See, so make a watch some more.
I don't afraid of that big guy no out. Make him dead for hungry. Make him drive up in a blood-clad car and sort bus. And Baniki, I made it the way and them out in blood-clad bus in him and rat in belly. One thing I can tell you the royal family and everybody, watch this word come out of my mouth. We're concerned. Watch me tell you, ashes to ashes. Spirituality, that is the full outcome. But don't make me not talk. Me give me whole crown. So all me I tell you say, make that big one talk. But me a move that blood clot. Spiritually, me a last. Dust to blood clot. It's a target practice to blood clot. And I'm not an evil man, but I go and beat out it blood clot. I'm in an argument to do no. And that is what me I try to say. Me declare a full spiritual war. I mean, know what that mean. Me a beat out it blood clot. I have been starting from down to the pitney on the breast. Spiritually. My God said, let God arise and the enemies be scattered. Every single thing. Me a slew spiritually. Because the end of the day is, I touch no one, and they will come out here and we not go see. Me not ask you no. Because I would have never be a spiritual man in the media they right here. So, and if you girl for make my hand dirty, I know there is always going to be a test. And I decided to dirty my hand for you. Because he's a nasty evil bitch. There's no question. Everybody, down to me look baby, one dirty hand to get rid of you. The way you're wicked to the family. One tarnish the name. Because you're broke and you're hungry. And these people out there, you ever say this now? Bring down. Bring down who? Who the me I bring down Spice for 10. How much? Let's say me I bring down Spice for 10 years. Cause I begin to see that me I try. For all these years, me I bring down Spice and nobody never come say me man. When Spice are the queen, and me and that dirty dog a war, and somebody a come tell that war say me, and me a bring down Spice so much levitating blood clot ears day and night, 49 years of the week. And people would have stand up for Gracie rather than that old swine. Me not listen to those bitch. You know why them use the Batman? Because they know that you guys have it to say about that. That's why they music. I them say we have it so. So that is a strong energy. But let me tell you this. None of you never see me a young man around me in a foreign yet. Never. None of you can testify say when you see a young man around me in a foreign yet. Never. Only woman. Me no power with man. Crazy. You crazy? I'm crazy. You never see me in a foreign in nobody. That pay woman. And anyway, you see me, Milo and Nikki. You see bad mind? Me watch a video. And me watch a video because me never did a follow it up and me decide to watch a video. When me watch a video, me hearing the video. I say, when me done with you, all Nikki she not have no money because me a come for the house. But like how me broke and no money when me done me a come for this, me a come for that, me a come for that. You know, take freedom of speech. Always remember that in America.
Freedom of speech.
And that is why lawsuit like my one makes sense, but the rest of the people them want to cuss every day per media. We say them will file lawsuit. Lawsuit no come so. Like this is a lawsuit because she's saying that this is a big lawsuit. So when you hear the people them tell you other things about lawsuit, no go so because freedom of speech. This allegation is serious. So that is why more time you hear people talk about lawsuit no work so. You have to have concrete evidence or the evidence of speaking of the word by saying lawsuit. So remember freedom. So if you definition of character, if you have freedom of speech, definition of character, let's use common sense. Freedom of speech, definition of character. So you have to prove how you definition of the character of the person because also you have freedom of speech. I not talk for me, you know. I talk for food in a situation. So sometimes you hear some people say, yes, a big pussy like even the Dr. B will say she ever send lawsuit. Anybody can go up on the website and draft up a lawsuit and send towards you. Or pay $500. But can they go through with the lawsuit? What are the situation? You say Dr. B. Does the person name Dr. B by license? Does the business name Dr. B? So like what sense that make?
Well, people, wanna tell me what you think about what you must say. You see me? Because you can say whatever you want to say still about a person, but a person have a right to do whatever them can do. You know what I mean? And try to bring you down for what you say about them. You see, especially in America. You know what I mean? Things run different over there so than Jamaica. You understand what I say? So this thing here with RT and Momo is a thing where me I watch and see what go on. You know what I mean? But it look like say she hears something still. You know what I mean? But something a go on maybe behind the scene. You see it, so I can watch some of my people because I'm going to talk about the amount of money where him no make, and he might talk about the things, you know what I mean? Like him out for get more for a lot of money. So make we hear what him a say.
Did you send the person a WhatsApp message? Did you threaten the person on them phone? Oh, all of this is in the media. Did they call the company name? Did they call the brand? You get what I'm trying to say? People call my brand every day. Once you say RT boss, I'm a brand that. I know my brand is being tarnished. Since this year when I filed tax, my tax show me that I lost 1.2 million US dollar. This year, lost in a business because of a petty story. That is damaging to me, my business and my character. Since this thing start, a lot of people are not booking reading, a lot of refund. Those are my facts, and people on the live can attest to it. A lot of you can attest to it that this year I file tax and I lose money. So I need a $2 million back. Based on my tax statement when I lost, and this are going a year. You guys are not booking any reading. The products them still on the shelf. No money is not making. This is damaging to the character. And everybody call me every day saying they want back their money. What type of business, what type of allegation that as a businessman you're in? I don't want to associate with a businessman like you. That is damaging to my character. People are saying that I do not want to associate with a businessman like you or do any form of a reading if you're a pet. These are the allegations and my name, and I am losing a lot of money, lot of my money. My tax papers show that, and I have right to come here and speak to the royal family where I do business with me to make them know, say, me have a major money loss and a major problem because of the allegation. And what I really need you guys to do now is all the people who feel terrified by the story and you want back your refund, refund is available with 10%. You can ask for your refund, but you have to give a letter stating why you have why you want your refund. Put in the letter to identify you are stating the petty energy you want a refund. If you state in your letter that based on that I am in the energy, based on people putting these allegations on my name, you want back a refund, you will get back your refund and 10%, but you have to send me the letter to prove and to have on file that you want your refund. So if if the reading was $600, you will get up to $800 refund. But I need a letter to show that you do not want to do any business going forward. Because you keep on texting me. You keep on calling me. Now I need letter from you guys because I get 10 already. I need 30 more. So start get your fingers and come for the refund till everything clear. When everything clear, you get your money. Or should I say, when everything clear, you give me back my money. But you will get back your refund right now.
So, my people, that way RT boss I do you know, is for have proof say yo, this and that go on, You know what I mean? Him lose money. Yes, what me I say. So Momo, have to come hard. You know what I mean? Momo have to come with proof, You see it? Because what him a do, him a sort out the thing so that when him bring it up, him a go get everything where him asks for. You know what I mean? Or most of what him asks for. Because him a go have to show say yo, this and this me lose. You know what I mean? So right now Momo have to come good. You see it? So we're gonna watch some more and then we're gonna end it, my people.
The reason why I'm doing this, because my business is under attack with allegation and people are feeling disgruntled, feel offended, and traumatized by the allegation under my name and my brand. No, they are people, because they are hearing story, and that is not good for a brand. And I'm being honest, it's not good for a brand. So the people have the right to seek refund. And I, the manager of RT Family, I do hereby granted refund to all who have problem with this whole allegation with a certified letter state why you want your refund. All right? All right. When you hear people go live next minute or any minute attack, what I want you to need to tell them, say, you too much talking. And also you bring down man idiot. You chat too much. Why RT can come out your back attack? That is what we want to know now. Why RT can click live and still they run him family and attack with your international. By the time you are bring him down, are you not bring him down yet? From the time you are bring him down nearly 1 year, from when last year, and RT still a click button and people still attack to him. So I know you can't bring him down again. So you're walking with the allegation 1 year now and wagwan. Oh Lord, you make me find money to spend on your ugly looking, chaka brat looking, but look something looking. But look something there. I get the name of it, man. I don't even remember where him name. When I look at animal when I don't even beer, when I look at animal level always in the cool. With him nose just skin up so. And all him do just push out him nose. When I get back the name, I'm going to show you your sister. Mongoose. Mongoose sister. Let me say something to you, my fans. If you want to believe that, you believe. But one thing I can tell my fans, look at me good. And listen to me good. Yeah, you hear me? No blood clot can shape me. Trust me. Not in America. When you have law, we speak. They might can try that shit in Jamaica. Because you can't pay money. This is the land of opportunity. So trust me. I'm good. I'm good in my country. So I don't want no uneducated over here come me. Because 1 year and now I'm still there. No police, no investigate, nobody no come here. Or people will come to me. Me do nothing for nobody come to me. But do something for somebody come to me. All I am saying to the people leave me the phone and come book reading if you know what I'm reading. And just know one thing. You never see me know that in me. I'm a family man, my character different. People never paint a picture of a character of me. Me know one thing for true. All of you know me, and the truth I kill you inside. You just how you can say me mouth bad. Just how you can say me feisty. Just how you can say me rank. Just how you say my body man. Just how you say this. You never blood clad say you see no pediana. You never see that in me. I'm going to say something to you.
Alright, so my people, wanna hear what him say? Wanna tell me if you don't believe him? You know what I mean? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Wanna go with Momo or RT? You see me? Just leave your comment. Alright, just so me I go in it.